Well, what were you going to get with your 20% off any single item coupon this weekend? The offer is good today through Sunday, and it's 10% off one item for anybody. And if you're in the Inside Track Club, that's 20% off any single item, May 22nd to 25th. Might want to upgrade to ITC if you're making a big purchase. Let's take a look at just a few items. How about that Bauer 20 volt, 2 tool drill and impact driver kit? It's normally only $99.99, but if you'll take So for everybody, it's going to be $89.99. And for ITC members, you can get that for $79.99. That is a great deal. $79.99 for both drills and two 2-amp-hour batteries. The $24.99 Bauer cordless dual power fan, that means it'll run off the battery 20 volt, and or you can plug it into a wall with an extension cord. $24.99. So $24.99 for everybody is $22.49. And for Inside Track Club members, $19.99. That is a super deal on that fan. You can get that Bauer handy screwdriver, and that extends straight and or pistol grip. I have one. It works great. I also have some other brands, and this is my go-to. It's 4 volt. It's a USB plug-in. Charge lasts a long time. Very handy when you don't need the power of a drill. So $19.99. Obviously with 10% off, that's $18. With 20% off, you can get that thing for $16 this weekend. How about an Icon 350-pound heavy-duty roller seat? It's normally $69.99. Well, take 10% off, that's $60, $59.99. Or take 20% off, then that's like $54.99. Can't hardly beat it. Maybe you want to pick up the Icon 5-inch snap ring pliers. Normally $44.99. I think you can do the math at this point. $44.99. So take 10% off. That's going to be about $40. Take 20% off. It's going to be about $36. Hard to beat. Maybe you need a top chest. US General's 27 by 22. This does come in multiple colors. Normally $269.99. So 10% off of that, take $27 off, so you're down to $243. Take 20% off, and you got $54. You're down to $214. It's hard to beat, guys. Hard to beat. Maybe you need that Pittsburgh 3-ton low-profile floor jack. Normally $169. Take 10% off. You're down $16. Take 20% off. You're down $32. It's hard to beat. Maybe you just need a couple of Hercules items. Here's a brushless cordless 4.5 inch or 5, depending on which blade you want to put on it. It's a side switch. $63.99 for ITC, or everybody can get that thing for $71.99. Same on the circular saw, 6.5 inch. ITC, $63.99, down from $79.99. And anybody with the coupon can get it for $71.99. So I'm going to say step on out, jump over to Harbor Freight, see what kind of deal you can come up with. Let us know in the comments what you bought. There's plenty of other deals. Check my other videos. If this helped, give me a like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.